Until now, an inner voice was something only we could hear, but a group of researchers at Stanford University has achieved what sounds like science fiction, decoding people's inner monologue directly from the brain. People suffering from paralysis or diseases such as ALS took part in the experiment, with tiny electrodes implanted in their brains. These electrodes recorded brain activity while the participants thought of words, and the system, combined with artificial intelligence, managed to turn that activity into text. The device was implanted in brain regions responsible for speech and speech movements. Even when we don't actually say a word, the brain still activates some of these areas. The researchers tapped into this activity to read the signals of thought. The method is called inner speech decoding. In other words, decoding silent inner speech. This is different from reading general thoughts or emotions. It's about identifying actual words being silently spoken in the mind. The system was able to work with an enormous vocabulary, up to 125,000 words. Its accuracy reached around 74%. Not perfect, but quite impressive for thoughts that until now remained entirely private. To protect privacy, the researchers even developed a feature called a mental password. The user must think of a specific phrase, and only then does the device begin listening to their thoughts. This could be a game changer for people who are unable to speak. For example, after a stroke or due to neurological diseases. Instead of slowly communicating with a letterboard, they could speak simply through thought. We are still far from the day when we'll sit in a cafe and chat without ever opening our mouths. But this experiment shows that it is already technologically possible, and our thoughts may not remain private forever.